already. Like, man, we are growing up. And out of these 20 years, I think we spent 16 years together as friends. And I should admit, these 16 years are the best years of my life. Like, I can proudly say I have a best friend. Like, man, it's amazing to call you my best friend. And I know since you've entered 20, you'll have a lot of responsibilities that you have to take up. And I know my best friend can do it. And yeah, I miss you, man. एक बार तो वाइजैक आजा मुझसे मिलने. So, and I just wanted to wish you on this special day of yours. Have a great life ahead. Keep enjoying, keep having fun, and take care. Bye.
So, you're an amazing travel buddy, and I hope we can plan more trips. So, have a great day and an amazing life. And damn, you're getting old. Love you. Bye.
Okay, so oh my god, you're like what 20 now? It's unbelievable. No, but you are such a sweet person. I really like hanging out with you. Past few years में I know हम लोग टच में नहीं रह पाए but we've made like so many memories together. One of my personal favorite memory of us was Goa वाला trip. Goa वाला trip was मैं भी क्या ही बोलूँ, it was just so much of fun. Trips are actually fun with you. Also ये picture we look so funny उसमें मामा के शादी में भी we had like so much of fun. I just want to say कि I am proud of you and for all that you do. तेरे बारे में सारी चीज़ें अच्छे ही हैं, अभी मैं और क्या ही बोलूँ, but you are annoying as hell. वो एक आदत तू ना कम कर दे वरना I'm never talking to you again. No, I'm just kidding. I love you. Happy 20th. Have fun, ठीक है?
Happy fucking 20th birthday, bitch. I'm so glad that you're my brother, bro. We don't spend a lot of time together, but like, I fucking love whatever time we've spent together. Let me take you back to some of the memories we guys have had. Let's start with Nani's place back in Subhash Nagar. At that time, we weren't brothers, bro. We were fucking enemies. That's what we were. I remember Nani being in the washroom and I don't know what happened, but we had a fight. And you started saying ye meri nani hai, and I started saying ye meri nani hai, and then we fucking, bro, you held my throat, I held your throat, we were like choking each other, and it was so bad. Oh, before that, do you remember? Even like you spent at the Shara Nani's place, where we built Ravens and stuff. Bro, so many great memories. Yeah, bro, the freaking gist is that I love you and I'll be there for you whenever you need me. I'm a call away. Just call me. And yeah, brothers forever, man. I love you, bro. Happy fucking 20th birthday. And I miss you. I wish you were here right now. I would make you have the best time of your life. But yeah. Happy fucking 20th, bitch.
I'm Igor. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day, and wishing you a fun-filled and joyful birthday. May you achieve all that you have dreamt for. All the best and have a great day.
Hi, I'm Ashna. And hi, I'm Shania. Happy birthday, Mrudal Anna. Happy birthday, Mrudal Anna.
Hi Som, you had a fabulous 20 years so far, and I hope you have the next 20 years as exciting and as rewarding as it was. You are lucky to be brought up by somebody who's very courageous, a mother who's a role model for many people. So go ahead and share all your experiences, your learnings with the society. Be the best of yourself and flourish as much as you can. And I hope to catch you up sometime. Wish you all the best and Godspeed.
Hey, hi, happy birthday, Som. 20 is a very big milestone. So, all the best for the next year or a decade ahead. I guess 20 also brings you to a stage where you're independent and self-motivated a lot. So it's a good thing, you know. But with this also comes, a lot of burden or a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. I know I can and I will exceed the 1 minute time limit your mom has given me. So Anna, talk to the hand. So what I would say to you is that at this age, no matter what you do, you will feel like you are invincible and you're very good at it and you're out of the world. But always remember and stay grounded that there is always somebody better than you. This will help you stay grounded, stay humble, and learn more no matter what you do, whether it is making pizza or playing cricket. So stay grounded, stay humble. A very good phase of your life you are passing through. 20, now teenage is all lot of hormones and lot of issues and mommy issues, daddy issues, and so on and so forth. But it's good that you're past that age. You can now control your anger, your emotions much better. So good luck to you and happy birthday once again. Have fun. Bye bye.
Hi, wish you many happy returns of the day, dear. Have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. Wish you all the very best. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Som. Happy birthday to you. God bless.
Happy birthday,
Som.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Som.
Hi Som.
Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day.
May God bless you with good health,
Prosperity,
happiness,
abundance.
spirituality, and many girlfriends. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey Anna, hi Som. I hope both are doing good. Som, wish you a happy birthday. You're turning 20, and I wish you all luck, all success for your future. Do good. You're a grown-up man now, and all the best for your future. Once again, happy birthday.
Hey Som, wish you many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the success. Take care. Enjoy your day.
Hey Mara, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Som Bhaiya. No, say happy birthday, Som Bhaiya.
Happy birthday, Som Bhaiya.
Alright Anna, Som, take care and hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Som, as you turn 20, here's wishing you happy adulthood. You turned out to be a very responsible and good human being, and I'm sure you'll take care of your mother as you grow up. And I just wanted to wish you all the best. Do well in whatever you do, and Mowgli uncle. That's how. Nobody has given me such a unique nickname. So thank you. Wish you all the best and do well in whatever you do. God bless you.
Hi Som, yeah, wishing you a very happy birthday. I've seen you grown, buddy. I've seen you grown when you were a kid, small kid. Now you are entering your 20s, so that's a fantastic thing, right? I love working with you. I love the way you carry yourself and be yourself, right? Don't listen to what we say. You are what you are, and I love you for that. Love you, darling. Enjoy your birthday. Have fun. Cheers.
Hi Mrudul, happy birthday to you and many happy returns of the day. I hope you are having a great time, partying hard. You have been an amazing kid all along. I know you since I think almost 15 years. The first time you walked into Nisam office, you had just come in from the Shamak Davar show and you showed us some great moves. You are an amazing dancer. A boy's best friend is his mother, and I think you and Anna have this special relationship, a crazy relationship, so far. It's really amazing the way you both are so close. She's really lucky to have you. Have a great time, and when we meet, we are going to party again. Make it super duper special party. Send us some pictures and videos. So see you soon. Have a great time, beta. Enjoy.
Hi Mridul, wishing you a very happy birthday. This is Bala Uncle, Rajam's husband. Enjoy your party and have a great time. Good luck.
Happy birthday, Som. May you be healthy and enjoy the time with your family and your loved ones. I'm really glad I got the chance to meet you in person, and I can't really believe that it has already been almost 2 years since I accompanied you and your mom on the way to Darjeeling when we were about to drop you off at your high school. So till we meet again, keep learning and discovering your adult life, and never give up if things get tough. And most importantly, always stay that kind man that your mom is so proud of. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Som Bhaiya. Have a great day.
Hi Som, happy birthday. I've seen you grow from a sweet little boy to a handsome cool dude. ज़्यादा ऊपर चढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, नीचे आ जाओ, ठीक है? A very very happy birthday to you, and have a good day, have a great year ahead, and super duper proud of you. And your mom has done a great job. Super duper proud of her also, and happy memories, and enjoy your day. Bye from Bhutni auntie. अच्छे से enjoy करना, नहीं तो रात को सपने में आके डराऊंगी. Okay? Bye.
Hi Som, happy birthday. God bless you, my bacha. No matter how old you become, for me, I still feel you are just a 4-year-old, right? When I met you for the first time, you were just 4, and I can't believe you guys are growing up so fast. You know, my ladly son, and I love you so much. I don't want to become emotional and have a teary eye, because for me you are very precious, because for me you are equal to honey, and I keep telling Anna that I think God fulfilled my wish of having a son, through you. So thank you for always being there and being that great friend for honey, and and also smiling. I'm so proud of you, my bacha. It is, no matter, as I said, no matter how old you guys become, for me you will still be like this 4-year-old small Som holding on to my hand, coming home and just saying Lekha auntie and coming, walking all around me and not leaving me, and yeah. So wishing you well. I feel so proud knowing all your success, your career milestones, your achievements, wherever you are, right in future. Just remember, I'm just a call away, and I get to know your achievements, your success through your mom. So I silently pray, and you just have to know that there is somebody called Lekha auntie, who is equally happy and very, very much, always cheers for your success and achievement. And I wish you well, bacha. I wish you great success and loads of love. Bye.
Hi Somana, happy birthday, I love you.
Hi Som, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with abundance of health, wealth and prosperity. एक वो दिन था जब मैंने तुमसे पहली बार मिली थी. तुम सिर्फ 5 साल के थे, छोटे से, सहमे हुए से, भोले से, मासूम से. उस दिन में और आज के दिन में ज़्यादा बदला नहीं है. उतने ही हो, मासूम हो, भोले हो, बस हाँ बड़े हो गए हो और तब की तरह सहमे हुए से नहीं हो. अभी तुम्हें थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ हमारी ज़िंदगी में आने के लिए, क्योंकि आई लर्न फ्रॉम यू सो कि फैमिली क्या होता है. ओके, एक दूसरे को प्यार देना क्या होता है, बिना कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस के, बिना कोई मतलब से. लव यू लॉट. Lots of success and happiness to you, Som.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोम. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा. हम बहुत ज़्यादा मिले नहीं हैं, लेकिन अनु के थ्रू मैं तेरे से बहुत अच्छे से मिली हुई हूँ. और सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, एक बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है कि ये मम्मा है तेरी. बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है. जिसकी लाइफ में भी ये है ना, तो वो अपने आप ही स्पेशल है, क्योंकि उसके पास अनु है और तेरी तो मम्मा है. तो इतनी बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है. और जो छोटी मोटी ब्लेसिंग्स की और ज़रूरत है, वो हम सब मिलके इन वीडियोस में तेरे को दे देते हैं. बहुत सारा प्यार, बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स. तेरे को लाइफ में मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें तो अचीव हो जाएंगी, लेकिन जो तुझे चाहिए, जो अंदर से तेरे को लगता है कि मुझे ये चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, और जो तुझे अंदर से कंप्लीट फील कराएं एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ सोल, वो मैं प्रे करती हूँ. और हम ऐसा विश करते हैं कि प्रभु जी वो तुझे महसूस करवाएं और तू अंदर डीपली जो जहाँ तू है वहाँ से अपने आप को बिल्कुल कंप्लीट और फुलफिल्ड और सेटिस्फाइड और हैप्पी, ब्लिसफुल फील कर सके. दैट इज़ आवर विश फॉर यू. लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव. बहुत सारा प्यार. बहुत स्पेशल मम्मा है तेरी. हाँ आप बोलो.
अब मौका मिल रहा है मुझे, बाकी तो इसने सब कुछ बोल दिया है. लॉट्स ऑफ लव, ब्लेसिंग्स. तूने पता नहीं मुझे जानता है कि नहीं जानता, लेकिन मैं तुझे अनु के थ्रू बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ. सो गॉड ब्लेस यू. और एक चीज़ और बताऊँ तुझे, हमारे पापा का नाम भी सोम है. और तू भी सोम है, तो तेरे साथ तो फिर स्पेशल कनेक्शन हुआ, isn't it? सो गॉड ब्लेस यू. बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय करना और आगे ऐसे ही बढ़ते रहना जैसे तू बढ़ रहा है. अनु के थ्रू हमें मालूम चलता रहता है कि तू बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, बहुत स्पेशल चाइल्ड है. एंड कीप इट अप. लव यू बच्चे. गॉड ब्लेस यू. एंड वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ यू अनु. वी लव यू अ लॉट. थैंक्स फॉर एवरीथिंग. थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग यू एंड थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग इन आवर लाइफ. लव यू.
Hey Bachu, wish you a very happy 20th birthday. I know you have grown up to be a very handsome guy. Wishing you all the best in life. and know what to say. Although we have not been so much as such, I can say, in touch, but my love and blessings always for you, and hope you be a very successful person in life. Loads and loads of love to you. Thank you so much, Bacha, for always being there. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Som. Wow, 20 years. Happy birthday बच्चा. Still can't believe it. मुझे आज भी वो दिन याद है when you were born and we brought you home along with your nani. Wow, क्या दिन थे वो. And हम पास हैं, दूर हैं, जैसे भी हैं. I know you have experienced that bond with me, and I have experienced that bond with you. And this bond is not man-made. It is not of this world. Okay, so it's unbreakable bond. And whether I am with you or not physically, bacha, you can count on me 24/7, any time, any second of your life. And you know that. And I'm always there for you. और मैं दिल से चाहती हूँ, दिल से मेरी दुआ है बच्चे कि तू बहुत सक्सेसफुल बने, जो भी सपना देखे उसको पूरा करे बस. And may God bless you with loads of love, happiness, good health, and a beautiful partner. And may you get everything in life. And this is specially only for you both. And Anu, congratulations for Som turning 20. He's a grown-up boy now. और hats off, such a beautiful parent you are. और इतनी प्यारी upbringing की है तूने सोम की. I really admire you for that. और हम physically मिले ना मिले, I don't have to say that because even Som knows I'm always there for both of you. Today, tomorrow, and forever. Love you both, bacha.
Hi, my most handsome. Here's wishing my dudes the happy 20th. Brings back loads of memories, some very crazy ones too. To begin with, I just can't forget the most annoying and the craziest lingering tones you would use while you would talk with people. Still remember your so many stays at Nani where Nana would get so annoyed the way you would crawl up your legs, up the wall, and Mummy would calm him down. And then you, in your most annoying tone, would say, Nani, dekho na, main kya kar raha hu. So you gave us crazy laughters, okay? You should know it. I mean, I still can't believe you such a crazy mix actually. You're such a carefree yet cranky, happy yet irritating, giving yet so possessive. I mean, what a great mix you are. I mean, your mom actually took me through your childhood. Literally, I've seen you grow up, and I can only tell you, you've grown up to such a fabulous human being, so much so that I still can't forget my recent conversation with you. You are so mature, my boy, and have such deep understanding of so many things in life. I mean, I can't tell you. I mean, my last day with you, it was so comforting. Your warm hug was so magical. I didn't know that, more than anybody, your words, your suggestions, your advice could do so much to me. And thank you, my little boy, because I needed it the most at that time. And I love you. And yeah, I know my boy himself, has gone through so much, so many highs and lows in life, but you're super fabulous and super strong, my love. And I'm so proud to say that I'm your mumsy. And this bond that Mumsy and Sunny Boy has built, it's amazing, super amazing in fact. So here's wishing my sexy handsome dude a very happy 20th. I so wish you get everything that you wish for. Happy birthday, boy. Cheers.
Hi Som, happy birthday. We were hoping that we will see you last time, but it didn't happen. Now we got this pandemic going on. We love you, we miss you. The invitation is always there. The moment the international border opens, please come and see us. And yeah, we'll have some fun.
Hi, somebody. Congratulations on your 20th anniversary, buddy. We miss you, and we really, really love you, and hopefully, we will see you soon. Jay and Raj want to speak a lot more than I do, but we'll love you and we will miss you, and happy birthday again. Jay.
Som, I remember the first time I met you. I had the most fun and most happiness I've ever had. Thank you.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Raji.
Happy birthday, and I hope that you have a good day. And I really like how we played together at the first time.
Take your hat off, silly, so we can see your face. There is Raj. We are
love you. We're very proud of you. And hope to see you.
Come
We're
on,
very
Raji,
proud.
come closer. We miss you, and we all say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Som. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Bye.
Bye.